Hello and welcome back to another iNick video. Today I'll be telling you how to use keyboard shortcuts. Now, this is very useful if you are writing your email a lot or writing long phrases a lot and you wish you could just write them down quicker. So, it will make a lot more sense after we get this all set up. But what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to find settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to find general. Once you're in general, you should navigate all the way down to keyboard. Press keyboard. And then it should be the second, press text replacement. Press the plus sign up here. So, basically, what we're going to do here is our phrase. So, what we want the end message to be. So, I'm just going to use the link that I put in my description after every video for my Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. So this is very useful because with people always having to write emails now because of the pandemic and always on their phone, and if they have to write their email or their phone number, this is just a quick shortcut. So then I'm going to name it my link, or let's name it iNick. Okay, and then we're going to want to press save in the top right corner. Shortcut cannot contain spaces. Of course it can. So there we have it. It's saved, and then I'm just going to show you what it looks like in in notes. So we named it iNick, right? So we're going to spell out iNick. And then right here in suggested, it shows www.linktree/iNick, which is my link, which is what I put in here. So just like that, I'll show you again. I'll make a new one. Just for an example, let's say if you want to put your email in here. The phrase could be, I'm just going to make up a random email. 123abcd at gmail.com. And then the shortcut could be GM for Gmail. And you're going to press save. And then once you go to text it in messages, anywhere that needs a keyboard, anywhere that you have this little toolbar on top of the keyboard showing you what you should type. So I nicknamed it GM. So I'm going to press GM. And then there you have it, ABC123abcd@gmail.com just pops up just like that. So it's a really cool feature if you're writing a lot of emails off of your phone and you need to like save time, optimize time. Anyway, that's it for today. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Like, I had a goal set this year for 50 subscribers, and we are so close to there. Like so close. It'd be amazing if we got to that goal. Thank you guys so much. Leave a like and subscribe, and have a good day.